Hi, my name is Shamiso, also known as Bright Eyes. So in this video, I'm going to talk about this fan that I made. This is 100% cotton. It already had a print on it. And I use permanent vinyl. I sublimate with, I use sublimate with permanent vinyl. So in this process, I'm going to show y'all how I was able to do this fan. Okay? All right, see you soon. So in this process, I'm going to show you how I made this fan. So I made a pattern for this fabric, and what you see me is using the pattern that I created to make a fan right now. Okay, so after I finish cutting the fabric, I'm going to use permanent vinyl, and I'm going to use my brother's scan and cut to use the permanent vinyl. I already have the file, so I just put it in my brother's scanner cut, and it just start cutting it right away. Now that I finished cutting my vinyl, I'm going to use heat transfer tape to transfer the vinyl to the wood. Now that I've finished transferring the permanent vinyl to the wood, I'm going to laminate the wood. I have tried it without laminated, and the vinyl melted. So I laminated the wood, and that seemed to work. Now I already laminate the wood, and now I'm gonna use sublimation paper on top of the wood and the laminator to get it to show the prints. And I'm just killing two birds with one stone right now. But for y'all, I don't want y'all to get confused. I laminate it first, and after it cool off, then I use the sublimation paper. Okay, so now that I finished sublimating the wood, now you're going to see me cut off any excess of laminated sheets that I may have, like I'm doing right now. Okay, because this is 100% cotton, I have no choice but to sew it, so you won't see the raw edges. Okay, so if you're seeing this right now, you probably watched the video to the end. And I just want to say some things just in case y'all have any questions. Maybe I will mention it again in the video. but for the fabric, the double tape did not work. It was coming off. This is 100% cotton, so the double tape wasn't working, so I had to use glue to get it to stick. Okay, so I just want to add that, and we're gonna see if it claps. Okay, so it claps. Okay. All right. Thanks you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.